everyone and welcome back to Michelle Kinka Vlogs. We are now here at Liliw, Laguna. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. I hope you'll also like, share, and subscribe.
7:59 a.m. 1 hour later.
It's raining once again here in Caliraya. See? We're having breakfast. Mga delicacies nila. Table namin.
Later. Twenty minutes later. Hello! Hello everyone, we are now here at Caliraya Skypod and it's soft opening. Time check, it's 1:42. May 3, it's a Saturday. So dito kami magda-lunch. As I mentioned earlier, soft opening pa lang nila. Kaya medyo brand new pa yung mga furnitures nila and stuff. Paint and all, yung mga structures, yung facade and all. Punta tayo sa labas. Check natin yung front.
If I could take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom and hoping we meet again. Oh, life.
Tingnan niyo yung mga houses dun, guys. Ang liit. Grabe, no? Ganyan lang tayo kaliliit. Natatanaw tong Laguna Lake sa Antipolo. May mga overlooking spot sa Antipolo na ito yung makikita mo. And now, we're right in front of Caliraya Lake. Tama, Caliraya Lake, Laguna de Bay. And yun yung sa Binangonan, di ba? Meron tayong vlog about a coffee shop. Anong coffee shop yun? I will link that coffee shop up here. You may check that out. Kung ano mang coffee shop yun. Nakalimutan ko na. Basta sa Binangonan, overlooking din. Ito yung makikita mo, pero malayo.
One very long digestive tract later.
This is St. John the Baptist Church. Hello everyone and welcome back to Michelle Kinka Vlogs. We are now here at Liliw, Laguna. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. I hope you'll also like, share, and subscribe. I am here with my mom and my daughter. Usap sila. So, ano ngayon parang Chinelas Festival. Anong festival yun na? Ayun, Chinelas Festival. Kasi parang ito yung sandals capital of the Philippines. So, apart from this historical church na napakaganda, which is St. John the Baptist Church, ang isa pang attraction dito ay yung yun nga, yung mga sandals. Meron din ditong may mga nakita kaming mga umbrella na nakasabit sa parang banderitas kasi parang fiesta nga ngayon. Festival of Sandals. Bye. Bye for now. Ayan, yun yung mga umbrellas guys. Oh, ang ganda. Tapos yun yung mga sandals. Let's go. Tadan! So, ang binili ko, bumili ako ng ganito. Yan. Tapos, basta bumili din ako ng isa pang abaka dun sa somewhere. Tapos si Zef, ang binili niya, yung kulay black na yan. And, yan. Diba? Murang-mura lang yan. Magkano to? 480. Tapos ito, 380. Okay, mami? Napapalitan? Oh. Yan din yung bet ko kanina eh. Yan yung kay mami.
Baka gabi pa.
Comfortable.
Sige, baka po sa kayo. Bye-bye.
Thank you, te.
Soon after.
Cafe Lilio. Ganda. Let's go. Yes. Wow. Ito. Cute.
Later that night. The next morning.
Yun yung windmill, guys. That's the Pililia Windmills. Wind turbines. Wind power or whatever that is called. Yan, nadaanan namin yan kanina from Caliraya. Wow! Oh my gosh, lakas ng hangin. And that is Laguna de Bay. This side also is Laguna de Bay. And we are now at Tanay Highlands. My first time. Ang daming tao kasi lunchtime pa lang. We just came from Caliraya. We had a 2-hour drive. If you haven't been yet, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Michelle Quintia Vlogs for more videos. Turn on all the notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Enjoy your travels. Oo, lakas ang hangin talaga dito. That's it for now kasi tinatangay na ako ng hangin. Mahangin at malamig kaya kami dito dumiretso kasi may mga restaurants man dito sa may windmill sa Pililia. Eh, napakainit naman ng araw. Dito kahit tirik yung araw, hindi ganun kainit. Anong masasabi niyo dun sa Ecoville, Caliraya Ecoville? The worst experience. Oh, the worst experience. Pinakapangat na napunta ko. In my entire life, yun yung first time kong maka-encounter, maka-experience ng bed na merong bed bugs. Kasi may kumakalat sa din, diba? Oo, kami. Oh, no! Grabe. First time ko, sorry kasi nagmadali na ako mag-book. Puro red lines pala siya na sa reviews. So, ang verdict namin is 1 star. 0.5 stars.
Wow.
Kasi guys, may mga inaanay na yung entire building. Pati yung food, no? Tsaka yung resto. Daming langaw nung sinerve na yung ang dami, nagsisipag-dive sa food namin. Grabe, what an experience. Tapos 12,000 ng 2 nights for 2 bedrooms. Ang maganda lang yung labas, di ba? Ano siya talaga? Nature. Po?
Ganda sana yung place niya. Malamig, masang hangin. May mga magandang tanawin.
Gandang tanawin. Tambuga na yung building ng hotel. So that's it. Ito na yung food namin. I'm having kani salad for my appetizer. And sila mommy, chocolate latte.
Kapagising.
Pampagising daw. And matcha tea. First bite for Zep. Gutom na gutom na. Hello guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Hindi joke lang. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy your travels. Bye!